JDCap26 here to do tips and repairs and hobbies, and we're going to try to put some light to this guy, this creature from World at Wars, Wars at Worlds or whatever. And I'm going to do that by using a LED in a box, and we'll see what we have to do here is we have to cut a hole in the bottom here. So I'm going to try to do that with a knife. So what we're doing here is we just started it and go around, and as the knife gets wider, it opens the hole up on the bottom. You don't have to really go in there with a drill. Just a hobby knife will do. See? Like that. And then so this will fit in there. Still have to go a little bit more. Well, it's just best to take it off the mount here, because you got to cut up in through here, the bottom, to get that LED in. I put a hole in there about that big. So what you want to do here is take this piece off here, take the LED apart, put that over there. You don't want that near the soldering iron. So here we got this here, and we thread it up in through here, like that, and then we're going to put it up inside him like that. You're going to make sure it goes up there pretty far up. Let's do this. Let's pull it out of the base again. And make sure we get it threaded up. We're going to put a piece of tape in there to hold it up in the head. So we got a piece of tape over here. I suggest Gorilla Tape. Pretty strong stuff. Just a small piece. And get it up in there as much as you can. Turn them this way. And put the tape in there. Then I want to get a tester and see if we can test it out. So we had to take this part off right here, and we have to cut in through there. We got a hole there for the LED. See it right there? Got to cut through here. We took the top off here, and you got to go in through here and put a hole in through there to run the LED. Okay, so I'm going to thread the wire through the top here. Okay, we can get it through there. You can also tape the wires together to thread them. You pull it through there like that. Okay, and pull the LED in, and it's going to go right there. So we're going to hot glue that right there. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to take the hot glue gun, and we're going to glue gun that LED in. Like that. Okay. Let it dry. Put a little more in on the side here. Make sure you get rid of those strings. Let that dry. And then put a little hot glue on the top here. Okay. Get rid of the string and put the lens back on. Like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take this part and I'm going to run it through the body. Okay. Got a nice big hole in there. I mean, you can use a Dremel to drill this stuff out. I used a knife. Be very careful when you use the knife. You could slip or anything like that. You don't want to do that. So pull it in through here. Okay, and we're going to put a dab of hot glue on each one of these posts right here. Okay. And pull some of this down. Make sure you don't pull it away from where you hot glued it in, and just stick it together like that. Okay. The test here. Oh, that's what we want, see? I'll show it to you more detailed afterwards when it's done. So you're going to put it through the base plate right here, the hole you made, the wires. You want to go like that. Pull it all the way through. Don't tug on it. Don't tug on it. You know, you don't want to tug on it. Bring it down like that. And we're going to put a little hot glue on this pin back here. There's a pin there. And let's see if we can. There we go. So like that. Okay. And then we want to put his arms back on. Actually, you gotta stick them up in there like that. Oh, I think this arm is over here. Put that in there like that. Put this arm over here. Once you get it all together, you can there we go. Like that and like that. Get the wires here. And we got to heat up the soldering iron now. Got one of these boxes here, the 9-volt. Put it up. And yeah, I got some. Get this soldering iron heated up here too. So let's do that. Okay, so we've got to strip these wires. This is the positive wire right here. Got this good stripper by Vice Grip. Go in there, take some wire off. And you don't want to cut it, but you want to take some wire off there, and take some wire off here, gently. And you could use a little flux here for the wires, but they're long enough. And we're just gonna twist them together. Black to black, that's negative, and red to red, okay? Just twist them together. You could also just tape these, or you could use heat shrink wrap once you get them twisted on. You don't necessarily have to solder them, but I'm gonna just give them a drop of solder, okay? Like this. I should have done this when I first built this model. I didn't have all the supplies to do it, like the soldering gun and the boxes and things like that. So I just put it off. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And you're going to separate them like this. Like that. Waiting for the soldering gun. Let's see if she's ready. Just plugged it in. Oh, is it on? Yeah, it's on. Yep. So just put a little solder on there. that. Put the soldering gun down. I use a dish for my soldering gun, you know, to lay it on. I don't lay it down on the table or anything like that. A dish or a plate. Just put a little solder on there. And we're done with the soldering gun. So yeah, unplug that. Always remember to unplug your soldering gun when you're done with it, and let it cool down. And let these connections cool down. We had a battery here. What did I do with it? Here it is. A nice battery here. And take this box and open it up. It flips open like this. And then you have this part goes on this side, and this part goes on this side, if you can see that. So you click it in there like that, and he's lighting up already. I don't know. Turn the switch off. Oh. I had to use a pair of scissors to actually snap the 9-volt battery in. And you just take this cover and you slip it back on here like that, close it like that. I want to note on here that these LEDs have resistors on them already, so make sure when you buy them they have a resistor on one side. It would be on the positive bridge side. What he looks like, and here's what he looks like with the light on. Isn't that cool? That's very cool. We'll turn the light off over here, if I can find it. And there he is. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and please give me the thumbs up. It really helped my channel. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.